Okay guys, quick instruction on how to use AutoCaller SIP 2015. So you can run it, you'll see warning message, click on OK. Here you can click on SMS if you'd like to send SMS, and you can use it and add here sender name. Type here login password from provider and you can start sending SMS. Here in SIP you should enter your SIP details like SIP server, proxy, transport if you know, maximum calls, how maximum lines at the same time, and also you can add more SIP providers here. And after that click on OK. So here you can add your phone list, what you would like to automatically make calls to. So load here from your computer. It can be in Excel format. Okay, what next? What you can do is simply click on call, or you can schedule calls. So for example, every day it will start calling automatically on your numbers. And else what you can do is you can play messages. So when people will pick up the phone, you can add here voice messages. And it will start playing here. Okay guys, so if you would like to make earnings on iprn, international premium rate numbers, or simply make automatic calls, use this software.